Hello and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, then a little introduction. This is a place to share stories, adventures, and everything I wish I had known before embarking on them. My name is Drina, and you're watching From Fiji to Here. Welcome to England. A bittersweet arrival, to say the least. We boarded the night bus from Edinburgh. Yes, we didn't learn from the last time and still insisted on taking the other night bus, and headed down to London for our final stop before flying home. As it was our final stop, there's a series of things that we did splurge on more here. The first, opting out of seeing the city by foot and opting into a hop-on, hop-off tour bus ticket. To be honest, day one was a fail. By the time we got on the bus, it was jam-packed and they weren't letting anyone else on or off, and then there was construction and the routes we wanted weren't running. So we ended up calling it quits and heading by foot to the Lego store and the M&M store for some retail therapy and souvenirs for the family. In London. What?
We're cursed today.
I know.
I don't have the block spot on my finger anymore, and now we're cursed.
We booked with the bus tour company so we could see more of London. The bus is still, actually no, the bus is fine itself, but tour company stopped. And now the trains are no longer coming. And there were road closures and detours that we weren't told about. And now Sarah would like to inform us all of what.
I think it's gonna rain pretty soon. I can feel it in the drops. It's gonna make Drina's day.
Only know you can hide when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. And you let her go.
We made it home to our newest friend on the yard, as well as an early night in to try and beat the crowds the next day for the hop-on, hop-off. And surprise, it worked, and we started on our day around the city. What time is it? How much do you hate me?
You're the one that got no sleep last night.
But look, nobody on the bus. We toured around the city with very little traffic thanks to the early hour and drove by Hyde Park and the Marble Arch on our way to Trafalgar Square before crossing the bridge with Big Ben behind us, getting a facelift, like most things in Europe, needing some updates. We hopped off the bus just in time to head to Buckingham Palace for the changing of the guards.
Sorry, bad.
quick stop for lunch and dessert, we headed onto the river cruise that was included in the cost of our bus ticket, and took to the Thames for a different perspective on the city.
Dang it, how come I missed the first bite? Okay, let's be real, the box isn't gonna make it home. Just eating a donut in London.
At the front of the Belfast, you have a flag flying. This is a Union Jack flag. This is the only Union Jack flag that you will see today in London. To be a Union Jack flag, it has to be flown from the front of a naval vessel on a wooden jack staff. The other flag, which you see, which are exactly the same as this, they are just called Union flags. Sent female workforce while the men were out fighting for the king. Fantastic waving, well done. It is the only bridge to be built on time and under budget. So well done to the ladies. We held an off course at the front, and I agree. You do a fine job on the bridge.
A quick stop on the way home to see platform 9 3/4 for ourselves. And then we were left packing our bags and memories from the past 2.5 months as we prepared to take the most expensive Uber I've ever paid for at 4 a.m. the next morning. Although this adventure has come to somewhat of an end with this video, there are still so many more to come, both of other adventures as well as tips and tricks from this trip, including the highly requested budgeting video that will be going live next week. If you do have any questions from this trip or others, please do leave them down below, as well as any other videos you'd be interested in seeing. Also, if you like this video, be sure to give it that thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to be notified of more like it, as well as join me on future journeys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next destination. Bye guys!